4. Cloud architecture. In this chapter, we will learn about cloud architecture. Cloud architecture defines how different components of cloud computing work together. It shows the structure of cloud systems and services. Cloud architecture is divided into two main parts. They are front-end and back-end. Let us first understand the front-end. The front-end is the user side of cloud computing. It includes user devices like computers, laptops, and mobile phones. It also includes web browsers and cloud applications. Users interact with the cloud through the front end. Now let us understand the back end. The back end is the cloud provider side. It includes servers, storage systems, and databases. It also includes virtual machines and networking components. The back end is responsible for storing data and running applications. Cloud architecture has several important layers. Let us understand each layer one by one. The client infrastructure layer includes user devices. The application layer provides cloud applications to users. The service layer provides services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. The resource layer manages computing resources. The virtualization layer allows multiple virtual machines to run on one physical machine. The management layer controls monitoring, load balancing, and resource allocation. The security layer protects data and applications. Security includes authentication, authorization, and encryption. Now let us understand how cloud architecture works. Users send requests through the internet. The request reaches the cloud front end. The request is processed in the back end. Resources are allocated using virtualization. The result is sent back to the user. Cloud architecture provides scalability and reliability. It allows efficient resource utilization. It ensures high availability of services. In this chapter, we learned about cloud architecture. We learned about front-end, back-end, and different layers. Cloud architecture is very important for understanding cloud systems. In the next video, we will learn about virtualization. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.